Oi, gente! Hello, everyone! My name is Maite, and I'm here to teach you all about Brazilian Portuguese. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 2 slang words, slang expressions that you can use when you want to say that you were working hard or that you were working a lot. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and watch it until the end to make sure you understand everything. The first slang word is the verb ralar. Ralar. The literal translation of the verb ralar is to grate, to grate. But it's used as a slang term to say that you were working a lot and that you were working hard. You can say, eu tô muito cansada, tô ralando demais esse mês. Eu tô muito cansada. Tô ralando demais esse mês. I am so tired. I have been working really hard this month. If, for example, I meet up with a friend of mine that I know is a hard worker, I can just ask him, como anda o seu trabalho novo? Tá ralando muito? Como anda o seu trabalho novo? Tá ralando muito? How's your new job going? Are you working a lot? Another great slang term is dar duro. Dar duro. And it means the same thing, right? To work hard, to work too much. Both of these terms can also be used when you fight for something, when you work hard to accomplish something, you know? For example, nossa, eu dei duro para terminar a minha tese de doutorado. Nossa, eu dei duro para terminar a minha tese de doutorado. Damn, I worked so hard to finish my PhD thesis. Or, ele deu duro para comprar um carro novo. Ele deu duro para comprar um carro novo. He worked hard to buy his new car. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're still here with me, watching it till the end, drop a comment down below with the word Titanic. You can also find my other social media links down in the description below, and I'll see you all on the next video. Vejo vocês no próximo vídeo. Tchau!